In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your date data to weeks in Microsoft Power BI. Start by opening your Microsoft BI app on your desktop and head into one of your reports. We'll do all of our changes in a safe, structured way so they flow back into your visuals correctly. On the left toolbar, click on the table view. This view shows your model tables and lets you work directly with the data behind your visuals. Find the table that contains the date field you want to adjust. Right-click on that table and click on Edit Query. This opens the query editor where you can shape and transform your data before it loads into the report. It's the best place to make consistent, reusable changes without manually editing visuals one by one. Here you can now update your date data. Select the date column you want to work with. If you have multiple date fields, be sure to pick the one that drives your time analysis, like an order date or transaction date. With the column selected, look to the upper ribbon and click on Date. This menu is designed for time-based transformations, so you don't have to write any formulas. From there, click on Week. You'll see several helpful options. Choose week of the year if you want a number from the first week to the last week of the calendar year, which is great for year-over-year weekly comparisons. You can also choose week of month if you need to understand weekly patterns within each month, such as first week versus last week performance. Or choose start of week to generate the exact date that each row's week begins, which is useful for grouping data into weekly buckets that align to a consistent start day. As you make your selection, the preview updates so you can confirm the results look right. This helps you verify you're getting the weekly structure you need without guesswork. Once you're done, click the Save button at the top right and then click Apply. This commits the transformation, so it's part of your data model going forward. When that's complete, go back to your Power BI report view. To reflect your changes in the visuals, click on Refresh at the upper ribbon. This reloads the data with your new week-based fields and updates charts, tables, and filters accordingly. That's it. You opened your report, went to Table View, edited the query, selected your date column, applied a week-based transformation, saved and applied, and refreshed the report so everything stays in sync.